Math 1 final benchmark, number 42. Which two relations represent functions? All right, so this is basically a definition question. Do you know what a function is? All right, a function means the x's are unique, and it means that it passes the vertical line test. All right, so if we look at A, we have -6, -1, 0, -1, 3. Since we have -1 twice, that means this is not a function because your x's are not unique. All right, if we come on over, well, skipping around, but looking at number D, our x's are 3, 0, 8, -5, and 0. So again, we have two x's that are the same. So D cannot be a function. All right, moving down, I'm just kind of going out of order, but looking at number E, this is a circle. So if you think about the vertical line, you cannot use the vertical line test. It will pass more than one point at multiple places since it is a circle. So this one does not pass the vertical line test, so it is not a function. All right, moving over here, the domain is -5, -2, 0, 4. If you wrote these as ordered pairs, it would be -5 goes to 8, -2 also goes to 8, and 0 goes to -3, and 4 goes to 10. All right, so we're only looking at the domain, which is your x values. So -5, -2, 0, 4. Even though it has repeated y values, that doesn't matter. To be a function, your x's, okay, your x's have to be unique. Since the x's are unique, B is one of our choices. All right, C part is a linear equation. A linear equation, except for a vertical line, is a function. So we can say this is a function. If you want to check it, you can simply graph this and see what it looks like. So we can quickly, let's just rewrite it in slope-intercept form so we can plug it in the calculator. So we'll have 5y. Let's subtract 3x to the other side. So we're going to have equals -3x plus 15. Divide everything by 5. And y equals -3/5 x plus 3. If we want to graph that and see that it passes the vertical line test, go to y equals clear everything out, go to y equals and hit -3/5 x plus 3. Hit graph. Let's zoom 6. Let's put that back to a standard. But you can see that is a linear equation and that does pass the vertical line test. So for number 42, the answers are B and C.